Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by proving ownership of your domain, so add the DNS-TXT record and wait for verification. That step unlocks account controls. Next, create a primary admin user and enter billing, credit card, or invoicing works. Once done, sketch a short list of the first 15 user accounts and set basic roles. This avoids back and forth later. Make sure to enable contact recovery details now. These small actions keep your setup smooth and auditable. Now configure the core apps that your team will use daily. Start with Gmail, add SBF and DKIM records, set inbound/outbound routing, and test sending from a few addresses. Then create shared drives, calendar resources, and groups so permissions are consistent. This reduces admin overhead. After that, tighten security, enforce two-step verification, set password rules, and apply basic mobile device management. Once these pieces are in place, your users can collaborate without waiting on ad hoc folders or chaotic invites. To finish, migrate mail and files, use Google's data migration tool or a trusted third party, and verify a few accounts to confirm integrity. Then run a short training for users and publish a one-page IT policy so everyone knows expectations. Enable audit logs and retention rules, and schedule nightly backups for critical shared drive folders. If something goes wrong, check DNS and MX records first. Email issues almost always trace back to DNS misconfiguration, so fix those and retry tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.